Pull-ups, strengthening the overall back muscle as well as the bicep and hand grip. To perform this, hang your hands from the pull-ups bar with the grip wider than shoulder width, maintaining the whole body in a straight line. Pull your body upward until your chin is comes above the bar. Then after holding for 1 second, slowly bringing your body back to the starting position with control form. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Wide grip seated cable row. Target the upper back muscle including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids and traps. Sit in front of the cable row machine with your knees slightly bent. Attach the lat pull down bar or straight bar handle and hold the handle with the wide grip hand. Keeping the back straight and chest upward, pull the handle toward your abdominal muscle and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Squeeze the back muscle. Then slowly release the back to the starting position. You can also perform it with the V-bar handle. Do 3 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions. Close grip lat pull down. Focusing on the lats, bicep and mid-back muscle. Sit on the lat pull down machine. Hold the V-bar handle or the lat pull down bar with the close grip wider than shoulder width. Keeping your back straight and chest upward, pull the bar toward your upper chest. Hold for 1 second. Squeeze your back muscle. Then without jerking the body, bringing the bar upward to the starting position with control speed and stretch the back muscle. During this entire movement, keep your elbow close to the body and do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Incline dumbbell row. Engage the upper back and postural deltoid, promoting muscle growth and strength. By performing on incline bench, your entire body gets locked and you are able to target only the back muscle. Hold the dumbbell with neutral grip in both hands. Lean down on an incline bench with chest supported. With your arms hanging straight down, slightly bend the elbow and pull the dumbbell upward toward your chest. Squeeze the middle back muscle and then slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position with control speed. Also do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions in each set. Bent over dumbbell reverse fly. Target the real deltoid and upper back muscle. Keeping your hands facing each other, stand in a bent over position with the dumbbell in both hands. Slightly bend the elbow, lift the dumbbell to the side in reverse fly position until your shoulder blade muscle are squeezed properly. Then bringing the dumbbell to the starting position while controlling the speed. Maintaining this form, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions and increase the weight after each set. Rope straight arm pull down. It target the latissimus dorsi muscle to develop a wider and V-taper back. Attach the rope cable or straight bar handle to the upper lock of the cable machine. Stand facing the machine with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the rope cable with both hands. Keeping the arm straight, pull the rope cable down toward your thigh with control form. Then slowly return to the starting position to stretch the lats muscle. Do 3 sets of this and 12 to 15 repetitions.